Good morning from Bobblehead Homestead. I am Jeff. Today is Sunday. It's low 50s right now, but it should be low 60s by the end of the day. I've gotten up early. Well, thanks to, setting the clocks back an hour. I didn't get an extra hour of sleep, but I got an extra hour of work in this morning, which was very much needed. All of the chickens are fed, watered, taken care of, and thanks Elizabeth's Adventures, Give a Cluck. Yep, up in Canada. I'm going on a road trip today, so Bob's already inspecting what's going on in the truck. What's up, Bob? You want to go for a ride? You want to climb in one of those and go for a ride? I'm taking off about 2 hours away, and yeah, you'll see where I'm going when I get there. Bob is not coming along. No, you're not, Bob.
Did you get that on film?
Right on the head. I've had him do that, but I always wear a hat.
Why does that stuff always happen to me? That one's fully feathered. They're all getting their feathers back.
Like that one? That, yeah. I'm not picky. I want the ones that lay the dark brown egg.
Okay.
Lay a dark brown egg.
Are you guys ready for a little ride? Are you? All right, I made it home again with 15 new to me hens. 15 hens. And if you didn't recognize it, that was VW Family Farm. Ben and Andrea and Emily and Lane. I didn't stay long. They're so busy doing everything that they got going on there. Cows and pigs and chickens and what do they got? Sheep, goats, dogs, cats, everything they got it going on there. So that was, I'm happy they gave me a little bit of their time. So why are they getting rid of 15 chickens? Well, they recently got more than 200 chickens. 200. Why are all of these chickens out? Yeah, guess who forgot to turn on the electric fence before he left? These 5 ladies are just having a field day out here, free ranging. Yep. Oh, and notice the combs. These are the ones I got from VW Family Farm last time. These were part of Emily and Lane's I don't know if it's 4-H or, yeah, I think it's 4-H. Anyway, so these are similar production brown egg laying breed to these. And these, you can tell their combs are much bigger. And they're a different line of genetics. So I was going to put leg bands on them, but you can tell them apart by the combs very easily. So, all right, now back to what I was talking about. All right, so VW Family Farm, they got more than 200 of these chickens because they are, they recently visited Polyface Farms, Joel Salatin's farm in Virginia. When they were out there for the Homesteaders of America conference. And, well, and they'd known about this for a while. You go watch their videos. But in a nutshell, they're rotating their cattle, and they want to bring in chickens behind them to, you know, reduce the fly pressure, and also, you know, the chickens will eat the larvae and whatever, and so you'll reduce your food costs on chickens. So that is why they went ahead and got over 200 chickens. These were in a, you know, in a chicken house laying eggs for grocery stores. And once they get a certain age where they start to molt or their egg production declines, then they get rid of all the chickens. So they offer them very cheaply for people that want to buy them, and when they can't sell them, they are pet food. So so yeah, he went ahead and got those, you know, over 200, and he doesn't want to keep all 200 of them. So so yeah, I got 15 of them. Oh, Bob, dude, what's up? He's like, what's going on here? You're bringing more of those things? Those things are crazy. Oh, Bob. And let me loosen this up and I will turn you around. Yeah, that coop that I said was free. I'm going to put the 15 hens in there tonight, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, dude. See, I've got to rearrange all this electric fencing, and I got to chase those hens back in their chicken run. So yeah, a little more shuffling to do now that I've got these hens, and I guess I probably better get started before it gets dark. So why am I getting 15 production brown egg layers? Well, same reason why I got the other 10. I'll put them in with the white and true blue rooster, the blue egg genetic rooster, brown egg genetic hen, creates green eggers, olive eggers. Yeah, buddy, and I can, yeah, you better get excited. We got 15 more girls for you. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I can't do, like the white and true blues, I would love to have 30 of those, but I only have 3 hens that I can use with my current roosters. I have 4 other white and true blue hens, but the roosters I have are their brothers. So I don't want to do brother to sister. So I've got to use my current white and true blue roosters with those 3 hens, and Betty White, it would be the fourth one, but I don't hatch Betty's eggs. So I've got Carol Burnett, Mary Tyler Moore, and Private Benjamin are the only three Whiting True Blues that I can hatch their eggs with a Whiting True Blue rooster. So that I can't, you know, and they go, you know, Carol Burnett was molting, and then Private Benjamin and Mary Tyler Moore are molting right now, and Carol hasn't started laying again since she was doing it. So I haven't had any of their eggs to hatch. So these give me something to keep hatching and keep my pipeline of olive eggers coming. And so yeah, that's what I'm going to do with them. Okay, I got to get busy before dark. So yeah, he's laughing at me. So thanks for watching. It's kind of a fun day. 4 hours on the road, but it was a beautiful fall day. Another week, and the leaves are starting to change, but one more week and the leaves around here are going to be wonderful, I got a feeling. So hope everybody had a great weekend. I'll see you when I see you. Thanks for watching, and take her easy, everybody.